welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate your kitchen counter for fall. So I wanted something on my kitchen counter that could kind of give that fall feel throughout the kitchen. I mostly have things that go in my living room for fall or on my front porch, but I really don't have all that much for my kitchen. I do usually something for the dining room table, but this year I decided I'm going to do something for my counter as well. And so I'm going to show you what I've done for that and take you with me as I make it.
So I started off with the basket tray, and I used a book I wasn't going to use for a while, and then some floral blocks. And I put those down in the bottom of the basket and then covered it with this material that I'm using throughout my house this fall. And got it nice and covered so it gave it a good base. And then I started putting all of my pieces in. I decided to put this next to the stove, so I have my teapot there as well as my utensils. And then I decided to throw a little candle in there, a pumpkin, and then this little saying from Michael's. I think I got it for about $4 or $5 on sale.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel, you can hit that red subscribe button down below. There's also a little bell off to one side. If you want to, you can hit that and you can receive notifications every time I upload a new video. I upload every Thursday. Sometimes I will upload a random video throughout the week, and so sometimes there will be content related to bees or our basement project that we're working on, or just random videos that relate to the season. I hope you will at least subscribe and catch my videos each and every week on Thursday. But I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in the next video, and I will catch you then. Bye.